Today we are going to be talking about factoring, specifically the GCF, which is your greatest common factor. What you are trying to do here is trying to find what number or variable go into every piece of the polynomial. So we're going to look over here at 1. We've got the number 9 and the number 3. Well, I know that 3 goes into both, so I'm going to put a 3 on the outside. So I'm going to look. I have an A here, and I also have an A here, so I'm going to put an A here as well. I've got a B. Specifically, I've got 2 B's, but I only have 1 B here, so I can only put 1 B out. So I have to put 3AB here. I'm going to put a parenthesis. Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. We have 1A here because there's a 1 that we don't see, but we already pulled out the 1, so that one's done. We have 2 B's, but we only pulled out 1, which means we have 2 minus the 1 gives us 1 left over. Now we have negative 3 divided by 3, which is negative 1. Remember, you don't have to write that one if you don't want to. We have 1A here, but we took it out, and 1B here, we took it out, so this is done. This is your answer for factoring. Now let's look at number 2. Well, we don't have any numbers here, so let's just see what letters go into each. We'll have a PQ, and I have a QR, and a PQ squared R. Well, I only have R's in the back 2, and I only have P's on the outside 2, which means there's a Q in every single one. So I'm going to pull out 1 Q because these two only had 1. So P, we didn't pull a P out, so it stays. But we pulled out the Q, so kind of cross it out. Plus now we pulled out this Q, so we bring down just the R. We didn't take out a P. We only took out 1 of these, so 2 minus that 1 leaves 1 Q left. We didn't take out an R, so now we are done. Let's try this one. What goes into b to the 4th minus a b to the 3rd plus b squared c? I see b's everywhere. You want that? The lowest number that is in every single one. So we've got b squared, that's 2 of them. b3, that's more than 2, so we're okay. And b to the 4th, that's still more than 2. So I'm going to take out b squared. So 4 minus 2 is b squared. We didn't take out an A and a minus, so then we leave that. We have 3 of them, minus 2 makes 1B left. 2 minus 2, that goes away, so just plus that C, and we leave it. We are back on number 4 to more numbers, because we don't have any repeating letters. So we've got a 3 that goes into 6, and 3 goes into 9. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Y squared, because we didn't take out any letters. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2z. And negative 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. And then we are done with that. Okay. For 5, we have some letters and no numbers. So we have 3 y's, 2 z's, 2 y's, 2 z's, 2 y's, and 3 z's. Okay? Sorry. So we need to know how many y's go into all. The smallest exponent here, there's 3, there's 2 of them, so y squared. Now your z's, we have 3, 2, and 2, so our smallest z is squared. So 3 minus 2 gives us 1. 2 minus 2, that one went away. Minus 2 minus 2, that one goes away. 2 minus 2, that one goes away. So everything here goes away, which means I need to put a minus 1 right there. 2 minus 2 goes away. 3 minus 2, so minus just a z. There we go. So 6. Now, A, B, C, P, Q, R, L, M, N. None of the letters are the same, but notice each one has a minus sign. So I can just take out that minus and make everything in here positive. I'm not changing any of the letters because none of the letters were the same in all 3 pieces. Try 7 on your own.